Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Jeep vehicle, guys, pretty much any Jeep vehicle, guys, and you have black smoke coming out of the exhaust, guys, we'll explain what are the top 6 reasons to have black smoke coming out of the exhaust. As you know, guys, every car we get at the shop, we'll be making more than 200 videos, guys. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. So we have that engine completely apart, so that way, guys, we can explain a few more things and give you more detail, guys. That's why we decided to make the video now. So if you have a Jeep, you have black smoke out of the exhaust, super helpful video. Now, we're demonstrating on a 4-cylinder engine, but even if you have a V6, V8, the procedure is the same practically. So, what are, guys, the top reasons for having black smoke out of the exhaust? And we're talking about black, not bluish smoke. Blue smoke means, guys, that you're burning engine oil, bluish, grayish smoke. Black smoke is completely different animal. Black smoke, guys, it's caused by having too much fuel in the combustion chamber, too much fuel in getting to your engine, and not enough air. And number one reason, guys, could be caused by a bad or clogged air filter, guys. Check this thing out, how bad that thing is. On the inside it's completely clogged, and not being able to get enough air, through that air filter, the engine actually will spray the same amount of fuel that it thinks it needs for having, let's say you have a new air filter, and you will end up having more fuel, less air, and as a result, guys, that will be causing black smoke coming out of the exhaust. Number one reason, guys. Number two, this is your cylinder head right here, and that's your fuel line, usually something like that. Those are the fuel injectors, guys, you can see right here. And if you guys have leaking fuel injector, what's going to happen? Leaking fuel injector, it will mean that the fuel injector is not closing all the way, and as a result, guys, it will be constantly leaking some fuel in the cylinder. That extra fuel, guys, will cause black smoke. Leaking fuel injector, and we have a video, guys, how to test the injectors and all that. Check it out, it will be on the channel. We'll even make one for specific Jeep vehicles, guys, how to test it. Not very complicated at all. So leaking, guys, fuel injector will cause that because it will not close and it will spray extra fuel in the engine. As a result, guys, what will happen? You will, guys, produce black smoke. Number 3, guys. Number 3 usually, guys, it will be fuel pressure regulator. Now, fuel pressure regulator on newer vehicles, on older vehicles, used to be on the fuel line somewhere. This is our fuel line here. It used to be somewhere in the engine bay, but following these lines, guys, on most newer Jeep vehicles, it's either by the fuel filter, or it's inside the fuel tank and it's part of the fuel pump. That's where the fuel pressure regulator will be. If the fuel pressure regulator is bad, what will happen, guys? Actually, it will increase the fuel pressure, and as a result, you'll spray more fuel in the engine than it needs, and you will produce, guys, black smoke. Another thing, guys, some Jeeps now, some Jeeps have mass airflow sensor, known as MAF sensor. Some do not have that one, guys. So if you have a MAF sensor, let me show you what's going to look like quick. It will be right past the air filter box, guys, on the intake hose, and this sensor detects how much air is going in the engine. If that sensor is bad, guys, what will happen? It will not detect the amount of air, guys, correctly. It will think you're getting a certain amount, but actually you're getting less air. As a result, guys, it will spray more fuel, and that will produce black smoke again. So that's another thing now, guys. Some Jeeps do not use mass airflow sensors. They use the intake temperature sensor and the MAP sensor for that. So that could be another reason, guys, on Jeep. Mass airflow sensor, if you don't have one, check MAP, intake temperature sensor and MAP sensor. Now, reason number 5, guys. Reason number 5, it could be a bad upstream oxygen sensor. This is, guys, called oxygen sensor, or also it is known, guys, as, let me just grab it with the other hand. It's also known as fuel air ratio sensor, fuel air. This sensor, guys, tells the engine, how much air, how much fuel to spray, all that stuff. And if it's not detecting the reading correctly, guys, it can give wrong information. As a result, guys, what will happen actually? You'll give the wrong information, you'll spray more fuel, and as a result, guys, more fuel means black smoke again because of that sensor. And if you have EGR valve, plugged up EGR valve can cause that as well. And even reason number 7, not so common, but it does happen, it could be a bad engine computer. The engine computer, guys, it can actually not calculate correctly how much fuel and air you need, and as a result put too much fuel. That has happened in the past. That computer that needed to be reprogrammed, and as a result, guys, produce black smoke. So those are the top 6-7 reasons, guys, for black smoke. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys having that problem, and it will guide you in the right direction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.